an asset that has compounded at 223% per year for 11 years has to have volatility. It has the same volatility as Amazon stock, 80%. And to your point on Bitcoin drawdowns, Amazon every year in its 24 years of life has had a double-digit drawdown, including this year. The average drawdown in Amazon stock is 31%, 5 times over 50%, twice over 90%. When was the right time to sell Amazon? That would be never. So volatility is not your enemy. It's your friend. You want volatile assets. Now, what you want is upside volatility. Downside volatility is painful. But over the long term, holding an asset that has volatility is the whole point of investing.
Battle never changes. In this bull run, we're seeing explosions of FUD going off left and right in what appears to be a coordinated plan to manipulate the market. Not just to shake off retail investors with weak hands, but the whales themselves are battling one another. They know crypto is the future of finance, and they want as much of the pie as they can gobble up. What tipped me off to this were 2 YouTubers, Crypto Savvy and Uncomplication, and they both started seeing eerie similarities to the trajectory of Bitcoin's price and that of a 100-year-old price manipulation strategy called a Wyckoff distribution event. This strategy was discovered by Richard Wyckoff, a pioneer of trading stocks and finance, and much of his work is what day traders and investors use to this very day.
Okay, great history lesson, Ben. What does this have to do with these 30% corrections?
Well, I'll tell you, I like to talk. Wyckoff tracked the best methods of accumulation during a bull run and charted it out. One of those methods lines up nearly perfectly with what has happened to crypto markets during this bull run. It's textbook market manipulation. Whales taking huge profits to cause many panics, to shake out competitors, to then make big buys, and then take profits again and on until the bulls are no longer on parade and the bears take over. To look for more solid evidence of a restart to the bull market, look no further than the market cipher. We got a green dot on the daily chart, September of 2020. And from there, the market rose by a staggering 500%, pushing Bitcoin and Ethereum to new all-time highs of $64,804 for Bitcoin, $4,356 for Ethereum. And what just happened today on the market cipher daily chart? Well, so far it's unconfirmed, but we're seeing another large green dot. That could set us up for another parabolic rise. If Bitcoin and Ethereum jump by another 500% like the last time, we could be looking at a Bitcoin of over $300,000 and a $25,000 Ethereum. Both of those numbers were the top side of my original prediction for this bull
value. The value of the asset is determined by the fundamentals, and the fundamentals of Bitcoin, of Ethereum, of cryptocurrency broadly, of blockchain technology broadly, are all increasingly getting better, and they're getting better at an accelerating rate. The price is what 2 people decide to exchange an asset for. And unfortunately, what happens is we go from investors buying things because they think the price is below the fair value, to traders who buy things when prices move up or down, to speculators who buy things because the price is going up. And unfortunately, in the past year, we have a whole bunch of gamblers who got free money from the government who are buying things, and they're buying on leverage. And what happened in the last couple of days is a whole bunch of levered traders, people who were 20 times, 50 times, in some cases 100 times levered, got margin called. And they need to get flushed out. This is a healthy correction. We need this to get the money back to the investors, and assets flow to their rightful owners. If you're hitting the panic button selling today, think somebody is buying. Yeah. Who's buying?